We check guys what's going on the rooftop of Crafts Building rooftop. Because my husband has a new toy. Nagkukopra na siya. Guys, my husband is doing kopra. Ano guys yung English na kopra? Because Koreans in Chinese stores, they love coconut. They love to drink the juice. Look guys, we'll check this. We'll check this out. Guys, we are going to Nigi no for sunset. Thanks God it's Friday. Friday on Friday. Guys, it's really sunny day. Woo! Nice. Nakakasilaw. I'm gonna see my friend Zoe. Oh my God, I'm so brown. Ayan guys, I'm here now at the beach with my troops and Zoe here. Zoe! And this is Oli. May kumare sa San. Say hi, Oli. Say hi, Oli. Oli, Oli! Alpe! Alpe! Ninang! Kiss Ninang! Kiss Ninang! Ninang! Zo! Sabi ko! Akala ko si Zo doon! Zoe! Ole! Ole! Ang cute! Ole! Ole! Dapat pala guys nagdala ako ng pangligo. Sayang. Sa swimming sana kami ni Alfie. Yung aking gwapong inaanak. Matpatay si Bina? Tat! Kailan ka manganganak? Bukas. Ayan, guys, si Pitat, Tomorrow. Matagal na yan, hindi na, nanganganak. Mga ilang years na hindi nanganganak. Ole! Zo, hi ka naman, Zo! Say hi! Pak! Pak talaga si Zo. Oli! Oli! Ay, ang cute-cute naman ni Oli. Ang cute-cute niya. Ang cute-cute niya naman. Oli! The future Miss Universe ng Boracay. Zoe Waddington from Boracay. Half Filipina, half English. How old are you, Zo? Paano kasi sikat niyan, Zo? Ang future Miss Universe ng Boracay. Ayan guys, today it's low tide. Ayan guys, so ang sarap maligo. Medyo warm yung tubig. Wow guys, it's Friday. Woohoo! It's Friday! Friday! Mag-watch tayo ng sunset. We're going to watch sunset later guys. Guys, may papahulaan ako sa inyo guys. May papahulaan ako sa inyo guys ha.
Yun na naman.
Halika dito. May papahulaan ako. Guys, hulaan nyo to. Tomboy or Tomboy or lalaki siya, guys? Ha, hulaan nyo, bakla or tomboy siya? Kuya Tol, hulaan mo kung tomboy or ano siya, lalaki ha. Hulaan kayo guys sa comment below ha. Kung ano, kung tomboy bakla siya.
Comment ako dyan mamaya. Who's that?
Ninan?
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk?